Hey everyone, this is Lolo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back to the sound design channel, and today we're working on a pad and it sounds like this. This is how it sounds originally without the sidechain. So a really synth wavy kind of pad, and if you want to listen to it in context, if you want to grab more presets like this, you can find the preset pack that we've done for Production Music Live called House Music by Abstract Music Lab, and you can find it here in the description below. And if you're liking videos like this, you can hit the like button. If you're loving it, you can subscribe to the sound design channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the channel as well. But let's get down to business and let's get started with the sound design. I'm gonna put the MIDI over here. It's one thing that it's important. This is the MIDI of the pad. We have here the tonal third and fifth, and over here this is basically the tonal just one octave up. This way you can replicate these whenever you're recreating it yourself as well. But now let's get started with the sound design. Just gonna make Serum a little bit bigger. That's it, and let's get started with it. So first of all, we're gonna choose here a sawtooth, and we're also gonna choose here a BS2 filthy. This is how it sounds like. Horrible, right? Yeah, we're gonna have to pick unison, put it to 5 over here, and also put it into 5 over here. Detune about this over here and a little bit higher over here, so it sounds a little bit better. Already has that kind of paddy kind of sound. And now we're gonna also put the level of this one a little bit down, 73%, it's fine. We're also gonna pick the noise over here. I'm gonna put this noise all the way down because this is going to be important afterwards. We're gonna now have to modulate the sound for it to create a pad kind of vibe. We have to first increase the attack to around 44 milliseconds. The decay is going to go at 8 seconds and 49, something like this. It's gonna be really long. Sustain is gonna go down to -20, something like this. There we go. And the release, yeah, we can keep the release as it is. And basically, but you can see how the sound falls down, and this is going to be really important with the filter afterwards. And also we're gonna pick this and modulate the noise level over here. So you can hear the noise going up and down as the sound progresses. So now filter, we're gonna choose A, B, and noise. We're gonna leave here the cutoff as it is, and we're gonna pick this envelope and put it over here. Something like this. You're gonna have to press Alt Shift, so it goes both ways, and you can put it over here. Now you can listen to this. Well, maybe if we make this a little bit bigger, sounds a bit better, right? And now the resonance is gonna be really important over here. You have to put the resonance a lot up. You can see that effect that it creates, and that's because of the resonance. So without it and with it, a lot better, right? Another really important thing over here, we have to make it a little bit trebly because it's a synth wavy kind of sound. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna pick the LFO, we're gonna leave the rate at 1/4, and we're gonna pick this and put this to the fine at around 16. The idea with this is just to make the sound not be as stable as we want it. So if you want to increase this to make it a little bit more unstable, you can see that it creates some instability in the tone of the sound, but 18 is fine.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.
Now let's go to the effects. We're gonna start with the chorus. We're not gonna do anything with the chorus. We're just gonna put this here to 25%. And then we're gonna use a phaser. But before, let's listen to how it sounds like without. it kind of creates a little bit of trouble in the sound again. Just so you can listen to what the chorus is doing. Now the phaser, it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be around 30%. This is gonna create a tunneling effect to the sound, so intensified. It creates its effect. We're gonna just leave it at 30%. Lastly, we need a delay. And in the delay, we're gonna choose 1/4 dot to the left. And the frequency here is going to be around 2000. Let's put it something like this, so we don't have any low end being delayed. And the mix is going to go around 45%. So we hear kind of like a wow, 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 wow. And because we have the dot over here, different from the right, is gonna sound a little bit more stereo. You're gonna listen to the left and the right a little bit differently. But lastly, we're gonna just pick here a reverb. Decay as it is, low cut, just putting it a bit up so we don't have any low end cut. We don't have any low end being reverb as well. And in the mix, we're gonna pick this and put this to 33%. And basically that's it. Now, if you want to make this sound a little bit less digital, you just go here, pick a distortion. I'd recommend picking a soft clip and you can intensify this. This is going to create a little bit more trouble in the sound. And if you don't want the low end that it creates, you just pick an EQ and create a low end cut over here. But that's about it. We don't need this for now. Really cool sound, right? And you can grab it here in the description in our pack. It's really cool. It has 79 amazing presets for house music, and I'm sure that you'll like it. But again, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the Sound Design channel. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. Ciao.